Hello guys, and how is everything? So today we're going to talk about decoding and spelling. Actually we've merged the two lessons together because they're talking about the same idea and the same topic, which is about VV pattern. So VV pattern means, guys, when we have in a word, when we have two vowels that are following each other. So like here, guys, we have two vowels, I and A. Here we have E and A. Here we have I and A, so and so on. So guys, here in these examples, how to decode words and how to spell these words. So remember, guys, that sometimes the same rule as when we have two consonants. Remember the rule about consonant clusters. Sometimes when we have a consonant cluster like CK, for example, okay, we can't, because it's pronounced like K sound. So we do not, or we can't divide them. We can't divide them, okay? Same idea applies here, guys. We can apply it here. So when we have two vowel sounds, sometimes we decode or we divide these two vowels, but sometimes if they're making one sound, these two vowels, if they're making one sound, we do not divide them. So, for example, let's say the word piano, piano. In the word piano, each vowel sound is pronounced separately. We pronounce each vowel. We pronounce them both. So that's why, guys, when we want to decode this word, so each vowel will be in different, in separate syllable. Okay? So piano, piano. Same idea, guys, when we have the word create, create, create. So also here, guys, we pronounce the E and we pronounce the A. So that's why it's create, okay? Another example like giant, giant. So I pronounce the I sound and I pronounce the A sound. So both vowels are pronounced. So that's why I'm going to divide them. Giant, giant. Also, when I have a quiet, I pronounce the two vowel sounds, okay? I pronounce the two vowel sounds. Here, guys, in receiver, see, receiver, when I have such word, guys, I can like tell or apply the methods that we learned in the previous lessons about decoding, which are the prefixes or common beginning syllables and common final syllables. So here I have common beginning syllable, which is re, and common final syllable. So I come up with a base word. So here in this base word, I have two vowels. So when I read them, how do I read them? Do I pronounce the two vowel sounds, or the two vowel sounds are making one sound? So receive, receive. So I'm making one sound. So that's why they're going to be in the same syllable, and I'm not going to divide them or to make them separate. Okay. Same idea, guys, applies here. Laughter, laughter. So laughter, laughter. Remember here I have consonant cluster because the GH I pronounce them as one sound. Same idea, guys. The A and the U I pronounce them as one sound, so I'm not going to decode any of them. The consonant cluster or the vowel, the VV pattern. So I'm going to make it like laughter, laughter. Okay, guys. So let's take another example and make it like a step by step. Okay. So, for example, let's say I have the word flyer. Flyer. Okay, guys. So when I have a word, I look at the word, then I have two vowels. Vowel, then vowel. Okay, guys. Remember that words with vowel, with VV spelling patterns may be divided between the vowels if the vowels stand for two different sounds. Okay. In the word flyer, both the I and the E are pronounced. Say the word with me, guys. Flyer. Flyer. So you're pronouncing now the I and the E. So both of them are pronounced. Okay. So because both vowels are pronounced, I'm going to divide the word between the I and the E. Fly. Fly. Flyer. Or let me make it like clear, not to confuse you guys. Flyer. So this is our lesson for today, guys. It's as simple as this. It's only about to practice. So practice words and try to make apply as many decoding patterns that you've learned to pronounce word correctly. So this is our lesson for today. Thanks for listening and hope to see you soon.